You should get the DJI Mic Minis now. It's an amazing microphone, and hopefully you can still find them during the Black Friday sale on Amazon because the sale is just crazy. The microphone you're listening to right now that I'm using to record this voiceover is with the DJI Mic Mini plugged into my iPhone. No crazy edits to the sound, I literally just normalized it and called it a day. That's why I love these so much. It's an awesome kit, and I don't feel the need to use my bigger fancy mic, the Shure SM7B, for stuff like content creation anymore. It's just more convenient for content creation since the technology has now gotten so much better, software and hardware. Of course, with the case, everything fits inside. So I just throw this in my bag whenever I need some wireless microphones. The cable, the wind muffs, and even the adapter for my phone all fits inside. Plus, the case keeps your two microphones and receiver topped up so you're ready for just about any shoot. I've been getting the DJI microphones every single time they come out except for the 3s. I stopped at the Mic Minis because they're exactly what I needed. They're small, and I'm able to use them with all of my cameras. Of course, my DJI cameras will have the best advantage like the Osmo Pocket 3 and the Action 5 Pro, since I can just connect them wirelessly without any sort of adapter. The only downside in my opinion would be no internal recording, but you're still able to record straight to your phone with the receiver, so that's not really a big deal at all. Again, links in the description if you're interested. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.